Hi, my name is Harshvardhana and I'm a candle curator for the past 9 years. And today I'm here to talk about my brand Breathe Candles that aims at spreading the importance of mindfulness through scented candles. The reason behind starting Breathe Candles was that during the pandemic, I realized that whenever I was stressed or whenever I needed like a break, I would always like find myself back to my candle kit. And I saw how those aromas or that entire process was very therapeutic for me. And I realized that if this is what this is doing to me, I'm sure there are more and more people around who would actually, be troubled by this, who would actually be stressed. So how about I make this product go out to more and more people? That is where the entire idea of starting Breathe came into. I think what makes Breathe special is first of all like the kind of ingredients that we use. They're all toxin free. All the ingredients are very safe for anybody to use throughout the candle making process as well as the after product. So the ingredients are the safest and there is something that we do not compromise with at all. And the second thing that makes us really special is that it's a one woman business. So everything that you see on Breathe, like be it sourcing the raw material, making the candle, the marketing, the packaging, the shipping, everything is done by just one person, which is me. And my only aim to actually be that kind of a brand is because I wanted to ensure that everything is up to the mark, exactly what the customer would need. Best part about being a candle maker is that when you know your products, you get reviews like, yeah, your candle really helped me calm down, or your candle smells amazing, it really helped me emotionally, it really helped me mentally. All those reviews, they really bring positivity, because it tells you that yeah, whatever you are doing like while making candles, it's actually helping someone. It's not like it's your efforts are not futile. Whatever my products are, they are reaching out to people in a very good way. And it's an amazing feeling. I think candles play a major role in wellness because they always set up the right mood which is required for that kind of a setting. For example, when you're working, you would want to have that kind of a productive mood that is actually helping you get your work done. Or when you're going to sleep, you would want to have that calm state of mind which is actually going to benefit a beautiful good night's sleep. So candles can actually bring all of those different moods in with the fragrance, with the aroma. So it really matters a lot in terms of wellness. And for any person who wants to like set the mood right, it is very important to choose your fragrance as well. I think one of the primary challenges for any candle brand in India would be to make our products go out more of as an everyday item and not as a moment-based product, because I think that is what a lot of candle brands face a problem with. For example, you would definitely light up a candle if it's a birthday or anniversary or any special occasion. But how about when you are spending time with yourself? Do you light up a candle then? Like when you're reading a book or just being productive? Do you light up a candle then? Because trust me, all those scents, those aromas, they can really motivate you. They can really set up your mood. And that is why different fragrances do different jobs in terms of like how they affect your mood. So we need to start seeing candles more of as an everyday item, like something that you can light up whenever you want. You do not have to wait for a special day, a special occasion to light up that candle that has been in your closet for God knows how many days. At Breathe, we have 5 different types of candles that we sell. So the first 2 are from the rose range. They have like little carved roses on them, and you have a lot of color options to choose from. The next 3 are from the latest collection that we launched. So the first one is the coffee infused candle, which has a very fresh aroma because it is a filter coffee infused fragrance. The next being the pressed flower candle. So this one is something where we actually press real rose petals onto the flower, onto the candle, and that is very aesthetic to look at. And the fragrance also is very calming. It has a tinge of vanilla in it, and it's the smell, the fragrance, it's very calming for anybody. People who are looking for a candle for their aromatherapy or for meditate while they're going to bed. So that has a very calming scent. The last one is the quoted jar candle, which is basically, it has a lot of different types of quotes that we put up, like quirky quotes which suit everybody's mood. So the person can choose from a variety of quotes that we offer. Also has a very raw scent because it has the smell of soy wax. Apart from these, we also customize a lot of candles based on what the client requires. brand started in the pandemic itself. So there was not like a major change that we saw in terms of like being a brand, but the better benefit of the pandemic was that people started prioritizing themselves more, personal development, their mental health, their emotional well-being. So that was like a positive aspect, which certainly helped the candle industry as well, because now people saw that okay, we can actually invest for ourselves, we can actually invest in things that make our home a home. That is what brought out beautiful results for not just the industry but also for individuals, because now everybody was truly focusing, prioritizing themselves.